demo is being powered by a 13 kilowatt, 220 volt, 50 amp generator. The dust collector is a 110 volt, 3 motor HEPA vac. The grinder being used is a 6-tool rotary. This concrete is pretty good, except it's covered in cure and seal. The cure and seal is grinding off easy enough with the 2-seg 2530 tools and no weight. Eventually though, because of the hardness of the concrete, or maybe the combination of the cure and seal, the diamonds do start to slow down. This is only after a few minutes of use. The problem can be seen with the amount of cure and seal being left as it's running along the wall. To help this, sand and water are used to sharpen those tools, which amounts to a pump-up sprayer with water and fine silica sand. The sand is sprinkled over the floor, and then the pump-up sprayer is used to put a light mist of water over the top of that sand. The idea is not to get the floor wet, but to give some weight to that sand. Because the grinder is running with a dust collector, if there was no water used, the sand would just be picked up by the dust collector before it could sharpen the diamonds. By adding the water, the sand has some weight, stays in place, and then the diamonds travel across that to stay sharp. As the diamonds are used and stay sharp, of course, then they can keep cutting, and that production can stay where it was when they were fresh out of the box. Nice part about these tools and the flatness of this floor is the machine is run up against the baseboard. The amount on the edge is actually quite a bit less than would be expected out of other tools, so the edge work should go pretty quick too. And that's about it. This job is 650 square feet, and it was done in less than 2 hours.